Has everyone had some sweet strawberries lately? Today I've got the sonnyangel strawberry series for you guys. This strawberry flower also serves as Robbie's base. The pink box is covered with strawberries, which fits the theme perfectly. Even the box is super pink and cute. This time it's still a 6+2 configuration. Without further ado, let's open it right away. Who will I get first? Let me squeeze and feel it. Oh, it's the strawberry monkey with a pink head topped with cream sauce. You can almost taste the sweetness through the screen. The little flower t-shirt looks so vibrant. Let's open the second one. Oh my god, it's the Lop Ear Bunny. These little pink bunny ears are just adorable. The pink hat is so cute. Paired with these little strawberry shorts, it's absolutely adorable. And the bag is so round and cute too. The details are absolutely chef's kiss. Let's check out the third one. Is it the hidden chase? I see the ears. It's our strawberry mouse. Its little strawberry t-shirt is so cute. I wish I had the same one. It looks like there's strawberry jam on its ears, just like on its outfit. Next one. It's our little deer. It's wearing little strawberry heart-shaped shorts. I really want to take a bite out of it. I still have 2 left to unbox. Well, get lucky and hit the hidden chase. Oh, I can feel the bunny ears. Haha, come on out, little bunny. Its t-shirt is printed with the word love. It perfectly fits the strawberry love theme. Last one. Picking strawberries. Quite a little strawberry holding a heart. Who can resist such a delicious little strawberry? I'm giving you my whole heart. They're a pair of good friends in little shorts. Let's go pick strawberries. The little monkey with cream on its head and the little mouse. They make me crave a strawberry cake so badly. Don't you think they're so full of love? Just looking at you quietly and cutely,